got frog eggs. Gonna be more frogs. I think it's time to replace my flags. They're in a bad way. Can't even tell what they are anymore. Alright. You liking your fan, pretty girl? Huh? You like your fan? Keeping you cool? Huh? Why don't you get them chipmunks that are chewing holes and everything? Huh? Why'd you do that? You do your job. I hear a whole bunch of them back there. Too hot. Huh? Hot, huh? Let me lay back down. Can I go? Can I go? I can't go? You want too much attention. Fan's over there. I got a mess in here. Also, my bike has no brakes. So I need to see. Oh, they come off. I have no idea. Sand and Florida just destroyed them. I think I gotta take the whole caliper off, I think. Yeah. There you get tools. Still waiting for brake shoes for my work truck. Ah, I got dirty. Assuming it's gonna be simple, right? I think it would be. Probably won't be though. Bunch of things on there. Oh, stay there. And they just do that there. And there it went. No boat. Oh, there's still pads left on there. I got a lot of life. I'll put them back in and readjust, that's all. Still sand in there. No! Oh, there's washing on there. There. Hey now. Oh, who's bothering me? Reggie! Hello. I know I was interrupted in that call. See if I can adjust this baby a little bit. Turn it back one notch. I don't know if it'll work. Well, a shot, right? I don't like it. Probably should tighten it first, huh? Alright, it works again. Fixed it. I don't know where the key is. I don't care. See if my flag showed up yet. Amazon delivered my flags and ended up with 2 American flags. So now I got a backup flag. Save that for next year. Pretty girl. You like your fan? Them flags are in bad shape. They've been flying for since 2021, I think. America. I'll do American flag first. You ain't got no color left. I want to hang you on the wall because you're cool looking. Brand spanking new one. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. One of the rings are not all the way through. Oh boy, that's not good. That's gonna rip right out of there. Dang. Still in the bag? I have to order another one. Unless I could steal it out of this one. I can do that. Yeah, we're gonna try to do that. Oh. To be continued. I fixed it. Beefed that one up a little bit too. Not sure I'm happy with it, but I ain't happy with it. I'm gonna change that one too. Let's go back at it again. I'm not gonna leave a very good review for the quality of that thing. But luckily I can save these old ones. Make it better than what it is. Two in there. Make you permanent. Sushi. Yeah. That ain't going nowhere. You give a little extra smush just in case. Extra smush. Yeah. Fly in the wind. I have to get a picture of it when it's blowing. Ain't much wind today.